Alright everybody, welcome back to the channel. Sunday afternoon, we got up, went to church. Thank the good Lord I ain't stoved up. So I made one of them dumb rookie mistakes. I love Skylar's car because it's full containment seat, but at the same time I can't see. I thought I had a guy cleared. I did like away Fleming that time. Come up, got hooked. I guess I'm a little bit different.
So some damages?
Yeah, I think some damage.
So where are we at right here?
What is this? This is our old frame straightener.
And we're, oop, Max. Nope.
We're gonna have to do some frame straightening.
Back at it. So let's get to it.
The front end's kind of tore up. We're gonna pop this thing up. We're gonna drill out the pot.
There's Emma coming to help.
On still. Let's see what all kind of damage we got here.
Daddy,
Let me get these
we'll be right back.
Popped off. So, K-member's been on it this time, so we gotta get with Skylar, get with the bank. I say pull the K-member out of one of our other cars and try to save this one, but that'd be up to them. We can cut horns off right here, cut them off and weld them. That's just for your bumpers. Put some extra plate over them to make them extra rigid for next time. But that was a pretty good lick. Cause it crinkled. You can see right down here. You can see the K-member right there and bent.
Oh yeah, it's pinched. Real good. Yeah.
Get all this cut out and let them make a decision.
Decision time.
But it can be repaired.
Got A-Flem over there, got his portable office already out, messaging the important people.
I didn't think we could say the bumper.
Hey, you actually could.
You put a new one on it.
We have one that's a possibility we could get.
There's one right there gonna work on it.
Yep, Grayson's gonna work on it. He gonna fix something. Didn't move a lick. I'm just kidding.
Right, man.
Never a good sign whenever you have to have a tractor to repair a race car, is it? I said it's never a good sign when you have to have a tractor to repair the race car, is it? Here we go. Which one's our lucky victim? I believe it's the blue one, so time to get to work on some stuff. All right, guys, so we are out here. We are back at it again. Like you've already seen, the 13, the K-frame or K-member. What is it called?
K-member.
The K-member is bad bent on my car. Dad had an unfortunate little wreck there with that white car, which was not the white car's fault. It was just a racing incident. But anyways, it's time to rebuild again and get this thing back going. I believe the plan, Dad, did you already discuss and talk to them? Y'all are gonna pull the motor and trans, or y'all gonna try to do it without it?
I'll do it without it.
So the plan is Dad and Austin and me are gonna try to take this K-frame off of this car and lift the motor and transmission up and replace the K-frame in the 13. But anyways, I hate that we're having to do this, but we're fortunate enough to be able to have all these boneyard cars out here to do this. This is why we keep some of the cars and keep some of the parts, because the ones that we know we have to have, we use. And so that's the advantage of that. But anyways, we're going to get to taking this off, and we'll come back once we get it off, and we'll go from there. Ooh. There we go. Just like that, 4 bolts. And it's out. So now this is officially just the front clip of this car. So now we're going to take this and go back over, drop this car down, go back over and put this next to the 13, and we'll look at that, and then I'll go from there. Coming down. There she sits, guys, still in the same spot. Dad and Austin were able to get most of the brain horn straightened up. As long as we get the front bumper back on, it really doesn't matter much, does it, Dad? As long as that front bumper in front of the radiator is fixed, I'm more than likely gonna just pull all that other junk out and refabricate something there. But Dad's gonna jump in the car, crank it up, and drive it out to the barn so that we're near Austin's shop, and get everything else situated and start jacking that thing up. I'm probably gonna lift it up with this tractor, and we're pretty sure that the top motor mounts is gonna hold the motor and stuff in, and we're just gonna drop that K-member right out of the bottom like we just did this one. So we'll see if it works out. Hopefully it does.
Hopefully I won't hit no walls between here.
Yeah, don't hit no trees or tractors or walls going to the back. How about that? Still sounds great. We'll get it back. Judah, what do you think of Daddy's race car? What's wrong with it?
It crashed.
It crashed?
Yeah.
Is it bad?
Yeah.
Oh no.
And Papa wrecked it.
Papa wrecked it?
Yeah.
Is he okay?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's go fix it.
Oh, okay.
Okay. So there we go. We got it up. Man, that's nice to have around the house. But anyway, I don't know if, did you already show them all the damages after it's like this? So you already see that thing is all twisted and bent. And this is also twisted, but I think we're just gonna ride with it. This horn right here sandwiched in, because guys,
No, when we get all this out, we're gonna fix all that.
well, we're gonna fix it, but so I had a lot of people ask me, why don't you like take all this out and put reinforced bumpers and stuff like that? We're not allowed to, guys. We're supposed to have all stock. These cars are 100% stock, so all this has to be stock. We cannot take and reinforce and put bumpers and stuff in there. But anyways, this junk and all is just, I mean, it's not really that important. At least, you know, it's somewhat important, but not all that important, all this stuff. But this side looks good. No damage on this side of the car.
This is bent.
When I was talking about the body wise. This side, Dad pretzeled that. Man, Hatcher Farms got hit. So we'll have to do something with there. But, oh, we're all right here is where it took the brunt of the force. The Falcon, sitting there on go. All it needs is to be washed. And speaking of washing, Avolt, which is one of our product sponsors that we mentioned a few videos back, they have given us a discount code. So guys, if y'all are interested in purchasing you guys one of them pressure washers, I'm dropping the discount code in the description, so y'all can check that out. Just as a thank you to Avolt, or from Avolt to you guys for supporting them. Also, y'all don't forget to go back to our giveaway and comment giveaway on our 3,000 subscriber. We're getting really close to making that happen and giving away our giveaway. 3,000 subscriber giveaway. So that's coming up. I'm gonna make that drawing probably in the next week or so. So if you haven't watched and you're new to the channel, y'all please go back and check that out, because we want you guys to have an opportunity to be a part of that. But anywho, we just got to get to work. So the game plan is, what are you gonna just take this motor mount out, take all the suspension off, our tires, everything, and just the bottoms, right? Just the lower control arms is all that has to come off right here. So everything hooked to this here is what has to come off. So anyways, hopefully we're gonna get this done, and we'll update you guys as we get a little bit more of this stuff taken off. Woo, you look dirty.
Yeah,
All right.
working. How was supper?
Oh, yeah. Yeah, I was gone. But guys, Dad's already got it out. What did it take you, about an hour?
Yeah, because I ain't had nothing but hand tools.
Hand tools, no power tools.
Austin finally brought me an impact.
An impact. So Austin got home from work, but Dad's got it out. You can see the motor is just hanging on these top two motor mounts. Everything is pulled, but let's show you guys the difference in what happened. So
Right there.
you can see where it has crinkled, and this thing is just all jacked up on this side, and there's what it's supposed to look like. That's the good one. And so side by side, you can see it took a really hard hit right here and right here. He's just completely just destroyed. This bar right here is bad, to where you can see that one kind of comes out and then swerves over. This one's just all bent.
You're gonna have to get some heat on this. Right?
Going straight up like that. So there's your good comparison. One's laying flat and one's bananaed. But
have to get some heat on this. Heat this up, and pull all this out so that
the radiator and everything bolts back up.
Will bolt up.
Oh yeah, because it bent up bad right there. So this hanger has about had it, but luckily this stayed straight. I don't think the radiator's damaged. It was holding water.
It's holding water, but it's got some.
Just got some damage. Well, oh well, that work was, at least I did it. But you can see he's got this straightened back up. Again, we talked about this is not really that important. I may even cut all this crap out. I may not even keep that. I don't know. I know I need this for the radiator support up top and for this, but I may cut all this out and go from there. But you're going to stop for today right here, right? So Dad's done. I think he's going to come down and go swim with the boys. We got him some dinner on the way.
Got me dinner.
Mom's got it coming for you. But anyways, we'll catch y'all in a second. We'll come back and we'll hopefully start getting all the stuff off this one put over to here, like motor mounts and different things like that. Just checking and making sure that all this is straightened. But we'll be right back, and we'll come back and start focusing on that. So we're back at it. No explanation needed on what we're doing. You already know. But the only thing we have to do now is swap this motor mount to this K-member, and we'll be good to put it back under the car. So that's what we're gonna do. And we'll come back shortly and have this under there and hopefully drive it. So where we're at, guys, we have this in the back. You can see these two bolts right here are in and on the other side. What we have figured out, you can see that this is where the other bolt goes up through that's supposed to tie into this frame, and we're gonna have to pull that out. But what we just found out is this lower control arm is bent right here. So the distance from this back mount where this goes in to here is 13 3/4, and this from right here to right here is 13. So we're 3/4 of an inch bent right here this way. So we're gonna have to take all this off. You can see this is nasty anyway. So I'm gonna get to clean all this up, get all this dirt off. But we gotta pull this off on this lower ball joint and go and get another one of these from one of our parts cars so we can get this thing back on the ground and then get back to pulling this front back this way. You found something else bent on this side, didn't you?
Huh?
Found something else bent? On this side? You just
this is bent. It's already been bent. Me and Austin's done straightened it once, but now we know how far we gotta go.
But you said this needs to be pulled too because that bottom will bolt in?
Yeah, we've already done this.
All right. I'm just saying it's not finished. We got a lot more work to do to get this back under is what I'm saying.
Yeah.
So guys, I wanted to get a lot more done this video, but we're gonna have to come back whenever we have some more parts. We didn't realize that the damage was to this extent. When you put it up against the wall like that, you never know what can get shifted, huh? But we're gonna get it. It's gonna happen. And we're not giving up. We're just gonna have to go and get this thing straightened. You can see this side and this side is a lot more pushed over than normal. But we got some progress. We got 3 weeks off from Outlaw Speedway, so we don't have to worry about that. They don't race till first weekend in June. So anywho, progress is progress. Thank y'all so much for watching. Again, y'all make sure, like I said earlier, to go back to the giveaway video for our 3,000 subscribers. We do have our merch still available if you guys are interested in buying some and not wanting to wait for the giveaway. And also we have some really cool items that some sponsors or some companies have sent us to show you guys with the trailer and the RV. So that'll be coming in the next video. Y'all be blessed. We'll keep grinding at it. We'll see y'all in the next one.